Rachel, don't give me say make I chop with my mouth. Make I use my mouth, Abby.
That would be helpful.
Hey, the girl say make I use my mouth to masa and suya. Omunna legwa no masa and suya mata. Use my mouth chop mata. Go mukram. Apredo, mat apredo. Asa apre. Mata and suya. Tapre suya. Tapre mata.
It's hot, right?
Hey, no. Look where we are. Look where we are. Look where by now. Una hona. Eba is here about the Naija Suya Tinz. Rachel, don't scatter this place. So this is our sister, Rachael. Our sister Rachael. Rachael Adamu, they rock this place. Come and see the new joint, too. Come and see the new joint. For the man. Hey, no be only to chop suya. This one you go chop suya plus other things. I'm not gonna see how they make meat pie, yo. So everything is fresh and organic for this place. The meat pie they do them direct. And when they see them, new mode, new fabrication. For that man. You know, when I see the hand, what they do them. See the hand, see the leg, what they do them. See the leg. I'm not gonna see the face. I'm gonna look at that.
Hi, Igwe. Hi, Damien. Hi, Timmy. No masa.
Na bele no masa o. Masa no kwanga.
Yes, with your suya.
You will suya na masa. The one no masa and suya o. Masa and suya. Rachel just scatter the zone o.
Make them come get their own.
Make them come collect their own before Matata hand in there. I go Nigerians, they do big things, so Rachael Adamu, they here with us. For the man. Yeah, Rachel, Biko, give us your phone number, or people will want order. What's the number?
862-213-2678. And 1 second.
What's the address?
And the store number is 973 350 6339.
Correct. And your address?
382 Clinton Place.
382 Clinton Place.
Correct.
That's all.
We4We Media Pinnacle Entertainment. Derema. More fire. Fuka.